Hey guys, so quick video on how we can connect your Razer BlackShark V2 Hyperspeed to PS5. So this is similar comparing to the I've just found in manual for you. So you just want to connect the wireless dongle to any of the USB ports of your PS5 using the USB Type A to USB Type C cable. So you're gonna have the dongle right here and you're just gonna connect it to your PS5. Right there when you're gonna have it, you just want to press and hold the power button until the headset indicator LED briefly light up. So press it for like 2-3 seconds, power it on, and wait for the headset indicator LED to turn solid green that the headset is now connected to the wireless dongle. Okay, and then what you need to do is that you just need to choose it in a PS5, right? Also, if you want, you can you can have EQ button. And you can power down, press and hold the Razer Smart Switch EQ button for 7 seconds to activate pairing mode. So if you want to, you can even connect it with the Bluetooth if you want to, but also with the dongle, it's up to you. And now what you're gonna do, so then on like PS5, how to connect headset. And I'm just going to read it to you. Then you just go right here, go to settings on your PlayStation, select sound followed by output, select control speaker for chat audio and headphones for all audio, and just also do that, so with the dongle. So I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. I was looking on how you can do this, and then you're just going to activate Bluetooth device if you want to go do it also with the Bluetooth.